Hi, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will tell you how to access Grok on X. So let's open X application on my phone, and at the bottom navigation bar you should see a Grok icon that looks like this, and if you tap it you will enter the Grok chat interface. So here you can ask Grok to generate some image, you can ask him to edit image, or you can simply type your question or request in this field. So let's ask him something. How are you? And if you send it, Grok will respond in the chat format, as you can see. And also the next way how you can access or use Grok is in the someone's post. So let's open, for example, this post, and you should find a Grok icon here at the top. And now Grok will give me some summary on this post. So this function could be extremely useful for you if you're not in the context and you want to get some clarity on some topic and you want to get some explanations. So here, as you can see, Grok analyzed the whole post for me and gave me this summary. Yes, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.